Hi, I'm Emma. Today's English is slow and easy. Just relax and listen along. Have you ever visited a zoo in the middle of a big city, watched playful sea lions splash in a pool, and wondered how to ask a staff member a simple question without feeling shy? Today Hannah, fresh from a relaxing afternoon at MoMA, walks through Central Park to the Central Park Zoo, a small, beloved zoo run by the Wildlife Conservation Society at 830 Fifth Avenue, right inside Central Park near 64th Street. It's one of New York City's most charming animal parks, home to sea lions, penguins, snow leopards, and a warm, friendly staff. And here's the magic part. Today Hannah uses one simple, polite phrase whenever she needs something. Would it be possible to? You can use this exact phrase at the Central Park Zoo, or really anywhere you want to ask for something politely. So settle in, relax your shoulders, and let's step inside with Hannah. Alright. Hannah has 3 simple missions today. 1. Get a map and find out the animal feeding times. 2. Handle a small surprise when her favorite show is already over. 3. Pick out a fun souvenir before she heads home when you're asking for information, checking on a schedule, or asking for a recommendation. One simple, polite phrase can carry you from the ticket window all the way to the gift shop. By the end of this video, you'll be able to politely ask for something, check on alternative options, and ask for a recommendation, all in simple, natural English. Ready? Let's step inside the Central Park Zoo. Here are today's 5 key phrases for visiting the Central Park Zoo. Repeat each one after me. Nice and slow. Key phrase 1. Would it be possible to get a map of the zoo, please? Would it be possible to get a map of the zoo, please? This is today's magic phrase. Notice how gentle it sounds. Would it be possible to? Softly asks for something without sounding demanding, which makes it perfect for requesting information or a small favor. Key phrase 2. Is there another feeding time I could catch instead? Is there another feeding time I could catch instead? A polite way to ask about an alternative option when your first plan doesn't quite work out. Key phrase 3. Could you tell me what time the penguins are fed? Could you tell me what time the penguins are fed? A friendly, direct way to ask for specific schedule information. Key phrase 4. I was wondering if you could recommend a good gift for a kid who loves penguins? I was wondering if you could recommend a good gift for a kid who loves penguins? A warm, thoughtful way to ask for a personal recommendation. Key phrase 5. Is it okay if I use my membership card for the discount? Is it okay if I use my membership card for the discount? A quick, polite way to check on a small payment detail. Great job! Now let's watch Hannah use them at the Central Park Zoo. Hannah walks up to the Central Park Zoo's entrance archway on 5th Avenue, the late afternoon sun catching the bronze animal sculptures above the gate. Just inside, behind a small ticket window, is Tyler. A Central Park Zoo staff member in his early 20s, only a few weeks into the job, carefully double-checking a laminated map before handing anything to guests.
Hi there. This is such a beautiful spot. The Central Park Zoo really is charming in person. Would it be possible to get a map of the zoo, please?
Oh yes, of course. 1 second, we just got a new batch of maps in. Let me find one that isn't, upside down.
Take your time.
Okay, here we go. This shows the sea lion pool, the rainforest exhibit, and the polar circle.
Wonderful, thank you. Could you tell me what time the penguins are fed?
I think let me just check with Priya real quick. Hey Priya, penguin feeding time today?
2:30 and 4 o'clock.
2:30 and 4. Sorry, still learning all the show times here at the Central Park Zoo.
No worries at all, you're doing great.
Thanks. Enjoy the zoo.
Nicely done, Hannah. She opened with "Would it be possible to get a map of the zoo, please?" Notice how gentle and polite this is. Would it be possible to? Softly asks for something without sounding demanding, which works beautifully anywhere you want to make a polite request. Tyler was new and a little nervous, but with a little teamwork, he found the answer just fine. This kind of soft, respectful request works anywhere you need a small favor. Nice and easy. At the center of the Central Park Zoo, the sea lion pool sparkles in the afternoon sun, though the crowd that gathered for the feeding show has already started to drift away. Leaning on the railing, chatting easily with a few lingering guests, is Marcus. A Central Park zookeeper's assistant in his 40s, always ready with a fun fact.
Welcome to the Central Park Zoo, by the way. First visit?
Thanks. And oh no, did I just miss the sea lion feeding?
Yep, just wrapped up about 10 minutes ago. But hey, did you know these sea lions have been here since 1934? They're kind of the mascots of the whole Central Park Zoo.
I didn't know that. Is there another feeding time I could catch instead?
Next sea lion feeding isn't till later, but the penguins over at the Polar Circle get fed at 4. Way less crowded too, if you like a good spot up front.
That actually sounds perfect. Could you tell me what time the penguins are fed, exactly?
4 o'clock sharp. Come on, I'll walk you halfway. The Polar Circle's my favorite part of the whole zoo anyway. Chinstrap penguins, genta penguins. I could talk about them all day.
I believe you.
Everyone at the Central Park Zoo says I talk too much about penguins. Guilty.
Look how smoothly Hannah handled a little surprise. When she missed the sea lion feeding, she didn't get upset. She simply asked, "Is there another feeding time I could catch instead?" This phrase politely asks about an alternative option, which is perfect when your first plan doesn't quite work out. Marcus turned a small disappointment into an even better plan, with penguins and some fun animal trivia. Even a missed show can turn into a great new adventure with the right words. Just past the Polar Circle, the Central Park Zoo shop is busy with families picking out stuffed animals and postcards. Behind the register, restocking a shelf of plush penguins with one hand while ringing up a customer with the other, is Diego. A Central Park Zoo shop employee in his 30s, quick on his feet but always warm.
Hi. I've heard the Central Park Zoo shop has great stuff. I was wondering if you could recommend a good gift for a kid who loves penguins?
Oh, easy, that one you're holding is our best seller. Comes with a little tag about the actual penguins here at the Central Park Zoo.
Perfect, I'll take it. Is it okay if I use my membership card for the discount?
Yep, that works, 10% off members' purchases. That brings it to $13.50.
Great, thank you.
Thanks for visiting the Central Park Zoo. Come back for the penguin feeding, sounds like you're headed that way already.
News travels fast around here.
Word gets around fast when Marcus is working the pool. Have a great rest of your day.
Wonderful. Hannah got her map and feeding times from Tyler's teamwork, turned a missed sea lion show into a fun penguin feeding thanks to Marcus, and picked out the perfect gift with Diego's quick, friendly help. All with calm, polite English. At the sea lion pool she used "Is there another feeding time I could catch instead?" to ask about an alternative, and at the gift shop, "I was wondering if you could recommend a good gift for a kid who loves penguins?" to ask for a recommendation. But the phrase that opened every door today was still our magic one: would it be possible to? A polite request plus a helpful team equals a smooth, delightful afternoon at the Central Park Zoo. Okay. Now it is quiz time. Quiz time. Which of these was Hannah's magic phrase today? the one she used again and again to politely ask for things? A. Give me a map, please. B. Would it be possible to get a map of the zoo, please? C. Can I get a map? Try writing your answer. A, B, or C, or the whole phrase in the comments below. Writing it down helps your brain remember it 100 times better than reading. I read every single comment and I will reply to let you know if you got it right. Amazing work today, everyone. Now you have 5 friendly phrases that will help you politely ask for things anywhere at all. Would it be possible to get a map of the zoo, please? Is there another feeding time I could catch instead? Could you tell me what time the penguins are fed? I was wondering if you could recommend a good gift for a kid who loves penguins. Is it okay if I use my membership card for the discount? With these 5 phrases, even a busy city zoo feels calm and easy. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to Easy English with Emma. It truly makes my day. Next time, Hannah heads to another wonderful spot in New York City for a slow, easy English adventure. See you next time. Bye-bye.